what's going on? We have got ourselves the Edifier GX High Fidelity Gaming Headset. Man said high fidelity. So we've got 3 different types of interfaces: USB-C, USB-A, and 3.5. This is RGB, high-res audio, and ENC as well. So essentially, it's got a microphone switch on the actual headphone itself. It's got a music and game mode, and the ability to change the RGB lights directly on the headphones. So yeah, man, this has got 50mm titanium diaphragm drivers, delivering crystal clear sound with high-res audio. I will be the judge of that. These are specifically made for gaming. It's got comfortable design, and these are 96k hertz, 24-bit. This deals with, it's got an impedance of 32 ohms. You know, frequency response between 20 to 40 hertz, 20 to 40k hertz, sorry. So that's sounding pretty serious. Let's unbox this and see what's popping with this then. We'll fling this straight into the iPad and then into the Switch. I've never actually used headphones with my Switch before, so this is going to be interesting still. If I can unbox this thing without mashing the whole thing up. Please. Yeah, what did I just say? What did I just say, bro? Jeez. Anyway, here we go. This packaging is nice. It's decent still. So first impressions, this is not particularly heavy, but it looks good. These are soft to the touch. The ear cups, I like that. It has a nice solid sort of feel. Numbered notches for those of you with OCD that specifically has a setup for you, so you can, you know, make sure that your thing is set nice every single time. We're dealing with plastic, but a nice feeling plastic. You know, the thing goes back and forth here as well, so we like that. Plenty of adjustability. Does it fold? No, it does not, but that is okay. Yeah, man. Buttons on there. They feel okay. I'll give this I give that a 3 out of 5. Sort of plastic buttons. A mute button directly on the microphone there. Adjustable volume scrolling wheel. USB-C, 3.5. Yeah, man. I'm not complaining. Left and right marked on the inside. Yeah, initial feel, that's alright. That's alright. That's decent. The isolation is mad. As soon as I put these on, man, outside it just disappeared. Packaging is nice. Let's see what we've got in here. We have got our instruction manuals, and this is also where the cables would have been. I left the cables out of boys. So we're good. We've got everything that we need. So are these Bluetooth? Question mark. Now let's see if we turn these things on and get busy with this. Let's see. You now know if to turn it on. So, oh, hang on. What's this? Oh, that's probably, is that the mic? Yeah, that's the mic. So the little mic is actually like just on the corner here to catch your voice. So let's get this plugged in. We've got a little USB-A to USB-C. So let's get this plugged in and let's see what's cracking. We'll get ourselves a auxiliary. Here's a light. Look at that. That is nice. You get me? That's nice. That's decent. You know, that's decent. We need a 3.5. What, 3.5? Where's the headphones? Should have a 3.5 laying around somewhere. Should. Where's my Beats? little 3.5 laying around somewhere. Sharp beats. Face cam custom. Let's keep 3.5 ready in this. Little 3.5. There we go. Whack the 3.5 in. And let's get the switch. Let's see what the switch is saying. Well, I don't even know where the dial 3.5 is on this thing. Cool, that's plugged in. Let's see what these joints are saying though. Over on this thing straight. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, what we got is a Mario Kart. Yeah. It's loud. Pick up Nintendo, do not listen to higher volumes for a long time. This is high fidelity. Obviously you're not going to be able to hear this, but yeah, I'm happy with this. Seeming alright so far. Sounds decent. It's a good sound profile. It's clean, it's clear. That's alright. What I'm interested in is when I'm like getting busy, when the cards are coming from left and right, if I can actually hear that properly and that. Now it's on. There's no particular indicator that it's on because the lights are off. I've currently got it charging. I don't know if this thing is charging. I should read the instructions. But I've got it charging. And I'm listening to music using the 3.5 at the same time. So that's a good thing. The mic's probably going to pick up. What is interesting, I've got the mic here, so we'll see if it picks up any noise leaking. But yeah, let's get busy with this Mario Kart and see. Yeah, good bass. Yeah, I can hear all the cars around me. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, I'm happy with this. Sweet. That's nice. Let's listen to some music. Turn off the switch. Let's listen to some music with this and see what this is saying for the music. Now, the good thing about these headphones, where they're quite comfortable, they've got a nice cushion at the top of the headband and around your ears. In comparison to some other gaming headphones that I've got, these feel a lot more comfortable to be able to wear over a longer period of time, which is important if you're gaming, because by the time you start getting busy or you're getting a couple hours deep into the game, you don't want to start getting headache or whatever, man. So yeah, I like that. But these are quite nicely like low profile too. I read the mic is just here. That means that I haven't got something, you know, that's just taking up hella real estate for no reason. So yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and play some music and see what this is saying. We hear them. Yeah. Put this up to max. I'm gonna wait for the drop to come. Yeah, this is high quality audio. I can't hear anything. I can't hear myself speak. I can't hear anything around me. But the bass is vibrating in the headphone. Yeah, this is sick still. Yo, this is hard still. I can get used to this. Probably, do you know what? Alright. Let's stop that before we get too gassed. Now, I was gonna say I don't know if I would travel with these, but actually they're low profile enough where it's sort of grey and black. These aren't in your face, and like I said, they're on, and the LEDs aren't moving mad. Now, that being said, there's an LED button in here, right, that I can actually then go ahead and, I'm assuming, change or do whatever I want. If I'm pressing it, nothing's happening. Let me put these back on and see what's happening. Maybe, hang on a minute, let me turn this on, because maybe the charge came out. Anything? No, right, now these buttons aren't doing anything. I'll have to spend some time with this, but I could travel with these. Like if you're on the go, you need to get busy, you know, you're mobile gaming or whatever. I've got no complaints. These things sound good. The sound for music, I'm giving a 9 out of 10. The sound for gaming, I'm giving these a 8 out of 10. Now, I haven't even really tried these with, you know, an extensive session, so we're going to give these some more runs still. But initial impressions, overall, I'm giving these a solid 8 out of 10, man. This is decent, and it's not heavy enough to sort of get uncomfortable, like, you know. Yeah, these are the ones. These are staying. These are staying still. All right. Thank you. Peace. Bless. Ooh, I like your style.